watch any English movies, I can understand what is going on. And when I read any English books, of course, I can understand what is out there. But when I start to speak, all of a sudden, my hands start to shiver and my heart pounds so hard and my lips are zipped up. I can't even utter a sentence. What could I do and how can I improve my English fluency? If this is your case and this video is for you guys, I'm here to give you a solution for this major problem that you are facing. So let's get started. Consider a person from southern part of India. He gets a job and posted somewhere in northern part of India, specifically in a Hindi speaking belt. He has been working there for 2 to 3 years. When he returns home, of course he can speak a fluent Hindi without any error, as if it is his own mother tongue. Why? This is because he is in a zone where he listens Hindi constantly and then he tries to process it and then he tries to understand the language and finally he attempts to speak. He tries to speak. This is the case where we fail. We usually hear this language, particular language, English, and we usually read this language, but we fail to speak. And we constantly complain that we don't have an environment where we can speak English. This is our constant complaint. So I have brought you a solution. I'll give that at the end of the video. So consider when we are a kid, when we learn a particular language. I'm a Tamilian, I speak Tamil well. So when I was a kid, whether I have learnt any grammar before speaking Tamil? No, not at all. We would hear the particular language and the people around us constantly speak in a particular language and we process it in our mind, then we utter a word and then we frame a sentence and then we try to speak. That's it. But now, what is bothering us to speak in a particular language? Because we scared of people around us that they may mock at us. First and foremost thing that should be in our mind is we should never ever scared of speaking in English and then we should try to speak. This is our second language and this is not our own mother tongue. If you are committing mistakes in your mother tongue, then we should be ashamed of. If I don't know to speak in my own mother tongue, then I should be ashamed of. This is just my second language. I'm learning it for my job, for my career, whatever it might be. So there is no need to be scared, right? Understood? So how can I practice? There are lots and lots of applications available in the market. I'll give you few of those applications in the description below. So you can go through those applications and you can register and you can start speaking. Don't complain that I don't have any person to speak with. So these applications will help you to speak in English and some anonymous person will be connected and you will be conversing with them in English. Go to the description box and check out all the applications and register and then start to speak. This is the only way that you can improve your speaking skills. In upcoming days, I plan to bring you these kind of speaking related videos so that it might be helpful in your English speaking journey. If you want those kind of videos, do comment in the comment box. Until then, bye. See you guys.